Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino, and it is Tuesday, July 27th, 2021. I'm laughing. I'm laughing already. Why am I laughing? Well, maybe some of you know already. Um, let's start off with this. We just got yet another piece of economic news, abysmal, of course, and the mainstream media is trying to twist this like it's the greatest thing in the history of the world. What am I talking about? So durable goods orders came in with a gain of 0.8%. However, what they don't want you to know is, the rocket scientists out here, the economists that were polled, they were expecting a 2% gain. So to say they missed the mark by a mile, well, it would be an understatement. You can't make this stuff up. Look, I don't care what they try to do. We are in a meltdown, and it's all just an incredible situation to be in here. And it's astonishing to me, again, to listen to how they're trying to twist all of this as something good. Can't make it up. It's impossible to do. All right, so on the back of that, stock futures are slightly negative this morning. I mean, people, look, this market keeps hitting record high after record high. We don't get pullbacks anymore. We don't get corrections anymore. Anytime the market falls, it gets bought up. Now, we understand what today is. Today is the first day of the Federal Reserve's little sit down. They're having a powwow today. And tomorrow we're going to hear about monetary policy. And all they're going to tell us, I'm going to tell you right now, they're going to say they will maintain their current accommodative. What they mean is emergency monetary policy for as far as the eye can possibly see. And then beyond that, understand, they're not going to let you in on the biggest secret out there, and you know what this is. Not only will the Federal Reserve not be tapering, cutting back from asset purchases, whatever, they will be increasing moving forward. We continue to get bad economic news. It does not stop. So, this is the mechanism. While the mainstream media tries to sit here and warp your mind and tell you, it could have been worse. Duh! Look over here, don't look over here. The Federal Reserve is going to continue to buy it all. Buy it all. It's crazy. Absolutely. All right. What else is going on? Cryptocurrencies higher. Looking good here. Gold and silver mixed. You got gold slightly lower, silver slightly higher. 10-year yield in a range. Okay, so we can say, I think at this point, that the 10-year yield is stable. The dollar is weaker. Crude oil, right now as I am doing this, is under a little pressure, still around $72 a barrel. So not a great setup for the market this morning, especially with the Fed tomorrow. So we'll see. We'll see. Tomorrow, all right, I'm going to give you a heads up here. I am expecting whatever the Fed says, okay? And it's going to be like I said. There will be no rate hike, okay? Forget about it. I know a lot of you are convinced that that is going to happen. The Fed's going to surprise the market. I don't know where you guys and girls are getting this from. There must be a YouTuber out here probably with a big channel saying that's what's going to happen, and they're going to be wrong. Okay, I'm telling you here again, wrong. Won't happen. It can't happen, so don't worry about it. But I do expect this market to go wild, especially, again, in the face of the nonsensical dog shit, I'm going to say it, talk from the mainstream media, which is, when's the Fed going to taper? When's the Fed going to taper? You see, they don't realize, or that maybe they do, that our economy is collapsing around us, okay? And, all of this is just propaganda, fake. The market's beyond twisted. You all know that. Look, nobody knows this market better than you do. If you've been following this blog, you know the ins and outs of it, how twisted it is. And frankly, I'm very proud to say that I'm keeping you ahead of the curve. And I've been doing this for a very, very long time. Anyway, So in the face of the narrative that, oh, when's the Fed going to taper? It's just a distraction. Okay, the Fed is not going to taper at any time, soon whatsoever. I don't know. Like I said recently, maybe 2026, 2027, maybe, I don't know, never. I don't know. All I do know is they will maintain this emergency, let's call it what it is, monetary policy, because our economy is in free fall. There's no other reason, I mean, other than that, our economy is crashing. But you're not supposed to know that. It's unbelievable here. By design, none of this is by accident. Again, scamdemics and shutting down small businesses, this merger between this twisted thing. I don't even know how to define this anymore. It used to be defined as fascism, the merger between corporations and a government. But today, this is some other yet to be defined entity, okay, that is determined to wipe out the middle class. Like I've explained to you for years what happened, like the creation of a new feudal system. It's in our freaking face. So people, in summary here, real quick, not a great setup for the market today with regard to, if you look at the dollar, which is weaker, that's nice. 10-year yield stable, that's nice. Crude oil is the missing link here. Okay, it's under a little pressure. And then we got, like I said, we got the Fed announcement tomorrow, which will be, they're going to continue to maintain emergency monetary policy. And it's going to be an interesting day tomorrow. I'm looking very, very forward to that. You got metals kind of mixed right now. You got the story here. Crypto's catching a bid. Anyway, that's it, people. This guy here loves you a lot, and I mean that. Please share this video. I count on you for that. I am not on a single social network. Can you believe that? No. Again, you know the story here. Banned from Twitter, banned from LinkedIn. I banned myself from Fbook. You know what F stands for. It's a useless thing. So anyway, I count on you. Please hit that like button down here. Share this video. I'm counting on you to do that. Get our message out there. People need to prepare for what is coming. People need to bet against the debt. Become your own central bank. Stay on the right side of this market. You and I, we got this covered from every angle. Every single possible angle. We got it covered. And that's where we're going to stay. See you later.